Craving a comforting South Indian breakfast? Today we're making two classic favorites, soft lacy appams and crispy flavor-packed savory paniyarams. Let's get started. First up, the appams. For this, in a mixer grinder, add soaked raw rice, a bit of cooked rice, fresh grated coconut, a pinch of salt and just enough water. Grind it into a smooth batter. Now dissolve some yeast in warm water and stir it into the batter. Let this rest overnight. Fermentation gives appams their signature texture and flavor. Once your batter is ready, heat an appam pan. These are easily available and totally worth the addition to your kitchen. Now pour a ladle of batter into the center and gently swirl the pan so the batter spreads out in a circular motion. Now cover and let it cook. When the edges look crisp and lacy, and the center turns soft and spongy, your appam is ready to serve. Next up, the quick and delicious savory paniyarams. Start by making a tempering. In a little hot oil, add mustard seeds and urad dal. Once they splutter, add a pinch of hing, some curry leaves, finely chopped ginger and green chilies. Toss in chopped onions and saute till soft. Now add this aromatic tarka to leftover dosa batter and your spiced paniyaram mix is ready. Now heat an appe pan and add a little ghee to each cavity. Now pour the batter in and cook on low to medium heat, turning occasionally so the paniyarams turn golden and crisp on all sides. Serve them hot with coconut chutney or a cup of chai. There you have it, two soulful South Indian breakfast recipes that are easy, wholesome and absolutely delicious. Try them at home and bring a little taste of the South to your mornings. For more such easy recipes, do subscribe to Times Foodie.